Read your cow. Go stop your cow. Good. Square his shoulders. Good. Get your cow stopped. Watch your cow. Can't take your eye off that cow. What color are those eyes? Watch your eyes. Don't panic. Don't panic. Good. Much better. You have time. Good. Don't override this way with your right leg. Ride harder this way. Good. Now ride less this way. Relax. Oh, look at that. Good. Back her up. I'd like a little better stop. Good. Go stop your cow. Perfect. Don't panic. You got plenty of time. Overrode right there. See where you were? By the time you stop, you're going to be way past it. Don't ride as hard this way. Still riding too hard this way. How do I know that? Because you don't even get to the middle. So ride a little slower. There it is. You can get away if you need to, but I think you're good. Whoa, sit quicker. You have to sit quicker there when you're going twice as fast as your cow. Good. Sit. Back, back. She's on her front end. Let her go right there. Good. Angle up. Where's she going? That's a girl. Good. All right, now you've worn your cow out, right? So let's step up there like you're going to restart your cow, just like you were at a show. Cow doesn't want to go, so which way do you want it to go? You decide where you want it to go. You decide. Good. Now, make it go. Now go stop it. Good. Now step up to it, make it go the other way. Good. Sit. You're riding too hard this way. This way, I mean when you turn left. Slow your body down. There it was. Angle up. Where are you going? Good. Good. Get your cow stopped in the middle. But don't ride past it. Much better. Much better. Sit quick. Back up. Back up right there. Good. Sit quick. Back her up with your left foot on her. Let your left foot go. Good. Sit. Doing really good. Watch that cow's eye and go get your cow stopped. Sit. Watch that cow's eye. Go get your cow stopped. Good. Sit. Quit. Very good.